Hello. Previously, I made the Morse code decoder based on some Arduino system, and this time I made a bit more modified, advanced one. It is a single board Morse decoder. In addition to the previous version, I added the lithium polymer charging circuit. Just connect the USB connectors on board. Lithium polymer charger will charging the small battery, lithium polymer battery. And let's see how it works. Now I prepare some software which can generate the Morse code. Now the word per minute is 13, so I move to 15. Like this. It's surely decoding the Morse code. And let's change the speed, for example, around 20 words per minute. And I will change the 20. Still decoding. And for example, let's speed up around 25. And I will switch the word per minute 25. There is some error decoding. So maybe the at most 20 words per minute can be decoded by this single board. And also this time I added one additional function. If I switch, push the button, there is indication of error. Error, if this character is indicated, all of the character decoded on this board is recorded on the SD card by the text file format. And later we can check what the signal was recorded. And also every time the recording starts, of course the different file name is named. Morse 00 starting from the Morse 00 to 01, 02 to 100. And if I push again, if the error is disappear, in this case, again the recording is stopped. And if I switch on again, then the character recorded by the Morse code will be written in another file. There is another recording. And it should be very useful. And initially I had a plan to sell this item at tindy.com, but now I notice that it's a bit complex, and actually the quality is not so satisfaction. As you see, the decoding error, there is a lot of decoding errors. But anyway, we can enjoy it. Have fun.